Welcome to Budapest, the pearl of the Danube, a city where history and modern life blend seamlessly. Split by the Danube, Buda's hills and Pest's vibrant streets create a unique duality you'll feel as you explore. Wander ancient castle grounds, then sip coffee in a trendy cafe. Budapest is both serene and energetic. Its architecture is a stunning mix of Art Nouveau, neoclassical, and reminders of its complex past. Every corner tells a story, from grand opera houses to poignant riverbank memorials. The city's resilience and warmth shine through its people and culture. Budapest offers world-class experiences without the crowds or high prices of other European capitals. From centuries-old thermal baths to lively ruin bars, it's a place to make unforgettable memories. Let's dive into the best ways to experience this magical city. Begin on the Buda side with the majestic Buda Castle, home to museums and panoramic city views. Nearby, the fairy-tale Fisherman's Bastion and the colorful Matthias Church showcase Hungary's rich history. Stroll the cobblestone streets of the castle district for a taste of old-world charm. Cross the iconic chain bridge to Pest and marvel at the Gothic Revival Parliament building. Don't miss a guided tour inside. Visit St. Stephen's Basilica and climb the dome for sweeping city vistas. Walk down elegant Andrassy Avenue, lined with shops, mansions, and the ornate State Opera House. Even a quick tour reveals its neo-Renaissance splendor. The avenue leads to Heroes Square, a grand tribute to Hungary's history. This monumental plaza marks the gateway to City Park, a green oasis in the heart of Pest. Budapest's landmarks are a journey through time, each with its own story. Let's explore what makes the city truly unforgettable beyond its sights. Budapest's thermal baths are a must. Soak in the Széchenyi or Gellért baths for a true local experience. Visit the Shoes on the Danube Bank Memorial for a moving reflection on the city's past. Dive into the Great Market Hall for fresh produce, local crafts, and authentic flavors. As night falls, discover the city's famous ruin bars in the Jewish quarter. Zimpla Kert is a quirky favorite. Budapest's nightlife is creative, vibrant, and welcoming to all. Savor Hungarian cuisine. Try goulash, langos, and sweet treats like dobos torte or chimney cake. Every meal is a taste of tradition and comfort. The city's spirit comes alive in its food, markets, and nightlife. Budapest is an experience for all the senses. Getting around is easy. Use trams, buses, or the historic metro, and grab a multi-day pass for convenience. Tram 2 offers a scenic ride along the Danube, while walking reveals hidden gems in both Buda and Pest. Cross the city's bridges for stunning views and a sense of its geography. Carry some Hungarian forint for small purchases, and learn a few local phrases to connect with residents. Always validate your transport ticket to avoid fines. Budapest's charm lies in its grand beauty, deep history, and warm hospitality. From landmarks to baths, food to nightlife, there's something for every traveler. Start planning your adventure. The pearl of the Danube awaits.